Afternoon, y'all. I'm gonna make a little simple 3-ingredient dinner roll to go with supper tonight. That's all it takes. You're gonna preheat your oven to 450. You're gonna grease your muffin pan or two. I've got 2 cups of self-rising flour. I use Hudson cream. That's just my pick that I like. 2 cups of whole milk. And 4 eggs. And we're just gonna mix all that together. Hudson cream is a very fine flour. It's really good for baking. I guess I like it better than just about any kind I've tried. I'm gonna get this finished mixing up. Now, I've doubled the recipe for my family. If you don't want to make this many, then just, don't make them that much, just half the recipe. I'm just going to go along and fill these about 3/4 full, then I'll be back. Now, I've got my oven preheated to the 450. I'm going to put these in for 30 minutes. I found my oven stick. You use this part to hook onto the shelf and pull it out. And then you use that end to push the shelf in the oven back in. Maybe that'll save my wig, I hope. Now I'm going to put some rotisserie chicken in with my Knorr's cheddar and broccoli rice tonight. So I'm just going to cut that up into little pieces. I'll mix it in right from the get-go. Very inexpensive supper. This is one of the rotisserie chickens that we get when we go to Sam's, and they're $5 each. Well, $4.99. Might as well say $5. And we eat on one, and we take the others, and we take the meat off, cut it up, put it in freezer bags and freeze it, and then that way we've got it in the freezer when I need to make like just a real easy supper. I've got green beans on cooking. Y'all have seen me fix those. I would get the family size cans. I drain that, put the beans in the pan, rinse them, put them in the pan, and then put a big can of water in with them. I add olive oil, I spray it in there, and I add a little bit of sugar to them. And I put them on high, and I cook them until they boil completely down and all of the liquid's gone. And this is what I'm talking about. It's the Knorr cheddar broccoli sides, very inexpensive. It's very tasty. We like it. Just make it according to the directions on the back, and I'm just going to add in the rotisserie chicken. I told y'all how to bake these wrongs. They don't take no 30 minutes. I don't know where I came up with that at. I put me some butter on here. These just make like little mini rolls, and they are so good. It takes them anywhere from about 12 to 15 minutes to bake these. Now, do these taste like the yeast rolls? No, they don't. This is just something really quick and easy to make up, but they are good. They are good. I hope that y'all have had a blessed day. Remember, it's going to be okay, y'all. And I love you.